Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need a modern emulator build, updated GPU drivers, and adequate resources. Open your emulator settings now and allocate at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores so HDR rendering can run. Once done, enable the emulator's virtualized GPU or OpenGL/DirectX pass-through option depending on your client. Make sure the emulator profile matches Android 7 or newer, and use an ARM-compatible game package when required before launching PUBG Mobile. After launching PUBG Mobile, go straight to Settings then Graphics. This is where HDR toggles appear. Choose Ultra HD or the HDR option if it's present, because HDR is often gated behind higher graphic presets. Next, set the frame rate to 60 FPS and enable anti-aliasing to reduce shimmering when HDR changes color grading. Once applied, restart the game client to let the engine recompile shaders and commit the HDR color pipeline. This improves contrast and highlights in game scenes. To finalize HDR, adjust the emulator renderer. Switch between DirectX 11, OpenGL, or Vulkan until you see HDR enabled. Different GPUs prefer different backends. If HDR still does not appear, clear the game cache or reinstall the APK and reapply the Ultra HD preset. This forces the game to expose the HDR toggle. If problems persist, check GPU driver versions and review emulator logs for shader or permission errors. One quick troubleshooting tip: roll back to the previous working driver if a recent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.